Happy fall, y'all. Let's get into this floral fall arrangement. What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today I'm going to try to do a floral arrangement for my fall tablescape / Thanksgiving tablescape using all Dollar Tree items. So it's just picks, some mesh, some loose leaves, and some floral foam, and of course a pill and fake flowers. So let's get started, guys.
Always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long way, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina. Always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long way, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina. Always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long way, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina. Always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long way, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead.
Okay, guys, and that is the finished results. I'm gonna try to still, tweak it a little bit, and if you want like a more permanent position, probably gonna hot glue these leaves because they're not acting right. But I'm quite pleased for it. For I am not a floral designer, arranger, whatever you want to call it. That is not my expertise. So I was really winging it. And you see these things keep falling out. But I think it do what it do, y'all. Now, the mesh helped, like, for me to add fullness to the arrangement. So, but I think it looked pretty good. The little pumpkins and everything. So, there you have it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook your girl up with a thumbs up. See you guys next video.